Welcome to the Furlough Navigator by BrightHR. The Furlough Navigator can be accessed directly from your BrightHR dashboard. The Navigator shows you helpful information such as the number of furloughed staff in your business, access to record further furlough absences, the ability to view your furlough absences in the calendar, and access to our Furlough Report, which exports all of the information you'll need in order to make a claim against the job retention scheme. The Navigator also includes helpful guidance notes, letter templates, and other supporting documentation and training webinars to help you get to grips with all things furlough. Now, let's take a look at how you can record furlough absence for an employee. From the Navigator, click Add More. Next, select the relevant employee from the drop-down menu. Furlough is the pre-selected absence type. You can select a start date for the absence and either set to ongoing or enter an end date. You can also input notes. The absence will default to a minimum of 3 weeks based on the government's minimum furlough period. Once you've completed the details, select Add Absence. The absence will now appear on the employee's profile and can be edited if necessary. Now let's go back to the Furlough Navigator and look at how absences appear in the calendar. The calendar will show you all absences within your business. You can use the helpful filter button to focus on just the furlough absences within your business. You can move forwards and backwards in the calendar to view the next or previous month and remove any filters applied if you wish to have a full absence overview. Now let's take a look at the Furlough Report. The Furlough Report will give you all of the information the HMRC will need from you in order to make a claim against the job retention scheme. This includes employee names, employment start dates, job role information such as job title and their working time pattern, their salary and frequency of pay, as well as start, end dates and total duration of any furlough absences recorded. Log into BrightHR today and ensure you have an accurate record of your furloughed employees. Stay safe and take care.